Good morning, students. Welcome to part 5 of our chapter number 7. Getting to know plants. In that, we have learned about different types of plants. Then, the parts of the plant, their work, their function, right? We have learned about the stem, the leaf, types of venetions in leaf. Then, types of roots. Then we were studying about flowers. In that we have seen the sepals and the petals. We have seen the sepals and the petals. Right? Which are petals, the colorful parts. सबसे ऊपर जो कलरफुल पार्ट होता है फ्लावर का, जिसको हम पंखुड़िया बोलते हैं, राइट? दे आर कॉल्ड द पेटल्स ऑफ फ्लावर. एंड inside which the petals are protected in a bud stage, जिसके अंदर सब पेटल्स कवर किए हुए होते हैं, वो ग्रीन कलर का जो होता है पेटल्स के नीचे होता है. They are called the sepals. What are they called? They are called the sepals. Petals are of different colors and shape, but generally sepals are of green color. है ना? पेटल्स तो काफी कलर के होते हैं, जिसका फ्लावर आप जैसा लोगे वैसे कलर के होंगे. ओके, फ्लावर्स के दूसरे पार्ट के बारे में जानना है. देन यू नीड टू रिमूव द पेटल्स. व्हेन यू रिमूव द पेटल्स ऑफ द फ्लावर, यू विल सी द अदर इनर पार्ट्स ऑफ द फ्लावर. ओके, पेटल्स के अंदर क्या होता है वो देखेंगे. क्या होता है? यू कैन सी द डायग्राम. That is the parts of the flower, stamens and pistil. Stamen and pistil. ये उसके अंदर के दो पार्ट हैं. पेटल्स के अंदर जाओगे, if you remove the petals, you will see these two parts, stamens and pistil. The innermost part, जो फ्लावर का सबसे बीच का अंदर का पार्ट है, बीच में जो डंडी जैसा दिखता है ना, it is a pistil. You can see it here. This green portion जो एकदम ट्यूब जैसा बीच में है, एरो करके बताया है, that is a pistil. एंड उसके साइड्स में जो है छोटे छोटे ट्यूब्स, उसके ऊपर कुछ दाने दिख रहे हैं, that are called the stamens. What are they called? The stamens. So these are the other two parts, stamens, pistils. Now the parts of stamens and pistils. Stamen, ऐसा दिख रहा था stamen, you can see here stamen. Okay, उसके दो parts हैं. The tube-like structure, it is called filament, and जो ऊपर दाने जैसा सीड जैसा दिख रहा है, they are called anther. So these are the two parts of stamen, filament, anther. Okay, parts of pistil. बीच का जो हमने पिस्टिल देखा था ग्रीन कलर का, वो ऐसा दिख रहा था. उसके पार्ट्स, सबसे ऊपर वाला पार्ट, इट इज कॉल्ड स्टिग्मा. व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड? स्टिग्मा. उसके नीचे वाला जो ट्यूब दिखता है, दैट इज स्टाइल. व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड? Style. And the round shape which you can see, it is called ovary. What is it called? Ovary. जैसे फीमेल बॉडी में भी ओवरी होता है ना, वैसे इसमें भी होता है ओवरी. इट इज द रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन ऑफ फ्लावर, राइट? ओवरी. और अगर ओवरी को आप कट करोगे, उसके अंदर भी आपको दिखेगा, दैट इज ovules. Like this, if you cut it, उसको अगर साइड से कट करोगे, राइट, लॉन्ग कट या तो ट्रांसवर्स कट, यू कैन सी दिस पिक्चर. इस तरह से उसके अंदर होता है. दे आर कॉल्ड ovules. What are they called? Inner structure of ovary is given in inside it they are called ovules. What are they called? Ovules, right? So these were the parts of flowers. Which are they? The stamen, pistil, sepals, petals, then the parts of stamens, that is anther and filament, and the parts of pistil, that is stigma, style and ovary. Right? These were the parts of flowers. Okay. Now page number 62. Observe the inner parts. You can see the ovules. Now, do all the flowers have sepals and petals, stamen and pistils? सारे flowers में ये सारे parts होते हैं? Are there flowers that do not have one or more part of this? ऐसा होता है? Yes, होता है. सारे flowers का structure same नहीं होता है. The number of sepals, petals, stamens and pistils may also be different in different flowers. Some of these parts may even be absent at times. Right? ऐसा हो सकता है कि कोई part ना हो कोई flower में. अगर ये सारे part आपको देखना है ना, you can see the sunflower, the गुलमोहर, उसमें आपको ये सारे parts एकदम clearly दिखाई देंगे. We have studied some features and functions of leaves, stems and roots. We have also studied the structure of flower. Flower के functions के बारे में बाद में पढ़ेंगे आगे वाले दूसरे chapters में, दूसरे classes. अभी सिर्फ हमको उसके parts जानने थे. This much we have learned. Now the exercise. First one, correct the following statements and rewrite them. The stem absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Right or wrong? Stem absorbs minerals from soil. Yes, it is right. Next one, leaves hold the plant upright. No. What is the correction? Roots hold the plant, right? So correct it and you can write instead of leaves, the root. Next is, the number of petals and stamens in a flower is always equal. No, they may vary. Right? So you can write that no, they can vary. Next is, if the sepals of a flower are joined together, its petals are also joined together. If the sepals of a flower are joined together, then its petals may or may not be joined. Right? May or may not be joined. Next one, if the petals of a flower are joined together, then the pistil is joined to the petal. It may or may not be, it is not compulsory. Then draw a leaf, a taproot, a flower you have studied. You can draw the picture of a flower with sepals, petals, stamen and pistil. ये 4 parts आप दिखाना है flower में. In the leaf you can show petiole, stem, midrib, veins and lamina. Root, you can show 2 different root, right? A taproot and the main root, that is the taproot, और उसके sides में से जो निकलते हैं, they are lateral roots, जो हमने देख लिया था. Next is, can you find a plant in your house or in your neighborhood which has a long but weak stem? Name it and which category it will come. Money plant you can say, है ना? Long होती है लेकिन weak stem होती है. कौन सी category में आएगा? climber. If you know any other plant, you can write about it also. What is the function of steam? It holds the plant upright, provides support, conducts the water and minerals which the root has absorbed. It conducts food from leaves to part. हमने देखा था steam is a two-way traffic like. It bears flowers, birds, leaves. These are all the functions of steam. Which of the following leaves have reticulate venation? इसमें से किस किस का reticulate venation होगा? तुलसी, then coriander and China rose. इन सब का होगा reticulate venation. If a plant has fibrous roots, what type of venation it will have? It will have parallel venation. हमने देखा था कि जिसका रेटिकुलेट वेनेशन जिसके रूट्स फाइबरियस होते हैं उनका वेनेशन कैसा होता है? पैरेलल होता है. नेक्स्ट, इफ अ प्लांट लीव्स हैव रेटिकुलेट वेनेशन, देन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ रूट्स विल हैव? इट विल हैव टैप रूट्स. यस. 8th one, is it possible for you to find out whether a plant has a tape or a fibrous root by looking at its leaf? Yes, you can say, right, that the plants which have parallel venation will have fibrous roots, and the plants which have reticulate venation will have tap roots. Next one, what are the parts of flowers? You can write all the parts: sepals, petals, stamen, pistil, then anther, then stigma, style, ovary. These are all the parts of flower. From the following plants, which of them have flowers? इनमें से किन किन के फ्लावर्स होते हैं? You can write chili, tomato, tulsi, mango, jamun, guava, pomegranate, papaya, बनाना, लेमन. इन सबके फ्लावर्स होते हैं. नेम द पार्ट ऑफ अ प्लांट विच प्रोड्यूस फूड. नेम द प्रोसेस विच हु प्रोड्यूस फूड? लीव्स. बाय विच प्रोसेस? फोटोसिंथेसिस. इन विच पार्ट ऑफ अ फ्लावर यू विल फाइंड द ओवरी. ओवरी किसका पार्ट है? यू विल फाइंड ओवरी इन द pistil, right? Pistil. Name two plants in which one has joined sepals and the other has separate sepals. ऐसे दो नाम बताओ, right, जिसमें एक का joined हो, एक का separate हो sepals. You can write in joined sepals the Datura, China rose. In separate sepals you can write the rose plant, right? You can write any other plant also. So this was about the exercise. You can solve this puzzle. Right, name of the plants are given. You can solve it in the homework, and you have to complete the exercise of the workbook yourself. Thank you.